Hey guys, so it's workshop update time, and yeah, we're not as tidy in here as I'd have hoped at the moment. My desk, you now know by now. Various other desks, and studio's gotten progressively worse because we need the space. Healing bench is a bit of a mess, but that's because I'm working here. I've got to make these brackets up for a light bar. I'm off on site. Nothing's changed in there other than light bars and this big solar panel. Tool storage is still there. It's not a huge update, there's just more bits that have gotten done. The walls are up. There's an ash there somewhere hiding behind the door. I've got the first of the workbenches built. Jay finished that last week and is well in use now. The final sets of walls are up. He's back! Damn it! We actually have some space, and yeah, we're actually starting to get onto jobs now, so that's all good. That's progress, and we do. I think these guys are currently busy making swords left, right, and centre, and my first job for the new place is in as well. So we've got this to rebuild or redo all the lights on. So yeah. Anyway, really quick one. Not really much of a change. And I'll catch up later. Take care.